This website tool can generate pro-level websites with polished design that you can customize fully with just one prompt or one link. This video is not sponsored. I just tried it out and I want to show you. It looks interesting and you can actually join the waitlist and give it a try. The website is called Pablo.design and they really want to let you create a website and hit publish really easily, and it can actually extract your designs and type and colors from a pre-made website you already have. Maybe you have a portfolio website, you can transfer it. I literally created this website here using just my domain link that I already have from my old Webflow site, and it literally created this, and I thought it was pretty cool. It does have a few interactions and buttons, and it generated everything. I didn't customize anything. You can see top right, it gives you like a V1 for the landing page, and then I can publish it and just connect my domain. You can see that they got it here. I thought it was really interesting. I really love this like aesthetic and design, and it gives you some options to choose for. So I'm gonna do another brand and see what it can do, and actually see if it's a quality tool or it's just AI slop. We'll find out, but so far it looks pretty cool. I like the sections it designed, and then it even has the Mura Monday musings and put a form here, which is really cool. So let's try it out. Let's go to Pablo.design. Let's go do a new project. I'll go to GPT, concept for an architect. We'll go here and it'll say, hey Pablo, I don't want to make a site. And it uses sort of a chat functionality, so you can talk to it. So you can literally just select, I have a live URL, so I can copy and paste from another URL, or you can go, it's in a GitHub repository. So if you click I have a URL, you can just paste a link. So we can post a site. So you can use your own site, you can use a client site. I'm just gonna get a random site from Google. So I just found this one. I'm just gonna paste it in and just press enter. So you can literally post any URL you have, and it will go ahead and scan the whole website. It will just do a search and it'll call the whole site. It will extract all the colors, the fonts and everything, and then you can fully customize it. So let's just see what it does, and I'll show you. It gives you a little, a bit of background. It can see your story, and just press continue. For a crafty show, let's set your visual tone. Each of these templates carries different energy, which feels like hyperlane. Cool. So I think they'll probably have more visual styles, but for now they only have these ones, so we can select a style. I'm gonna go with this one here. This looks pretty nice. I'm gonna say use this style. So then it goes ahead and gives you a breakdown of the style and some of the font choices. So you can see plus Jakarta Sans, that's from Font Share. Soft curves, feel warm without losing sophistication, light breathable, generous spacing. What else? Introduction, portfolio, CTA, building your story, footer that keeps the door open. So we can say try another direction. I'm just gonna click build it, but you can choose one of the other visual directions. You can't really paste anything else in here, but you'll see, we'll start to generate a website and we'll see what it creates just from a random website I found of Google. All right, we're done, and it'll give you a link. Let's click it and see what it did. It does take a bit of time to generate. It takes more than a few minutes, but it's a full landing page. It's just got a home page. I assume in the future they're gonna have more. But as you can see on the bottom here, we could the logo palette, the fonts. You can change scale, decoration, the spacing. We can full change everything, and also we can chat to the bot. Let's just click play and see the site first. Okay, that image is broken. I really like this grid, like this nice grid, even though the text is not readable. Font looks good, colors look nice, but some elements are not working, like images. I don't know why they didn't add an image. I really like these sections. There's using really good design. We've got a bento grid there. Super cool. I think that's really a good start. You can literally left click on the font. We can go ahead and change the font in one click. Really love that. And they're obviously using fonts from like Font Share or something. DM stands, we've got expressive, we've got elegant. Yeah, that's nice. Base, accent colors. Let's scroll up, and if you click it, you can quickly change the accent colors and switch everything up. You can also click on the palette and say, I like to refresh, current colors are. You can also come through and say, hey, let's remix the copy. We can select a model here, GPT-5 or Claude. Let's maybe do GPT-5. We can do also style reference, but I don't think we can upload anything here. We can select elements. So it's like other tools where you can edit, which is pretty cool. Let's click generate and let's rewrite the copy, see what it does. We can come select, and we can select the elements that we want to change. It understands context because it's using GPT and stuff. We can also start a new chat. That's cool. What else can we do? We can play with our own scale. We can change the decoration of like text and stuff, spacing. Let's go ahead and change the buttons. Do it really clean. What else? Card style, neomorphic. You can change the radius, round off the corners. I like that you're able to quickly change things really fast. I'm gonna go ahead and drop some images in here, and I'll say add this to the hero section. See what it does. Oh, didn't upload the images, so that's broken. Look, it seems pretty promising. It's got some tools, but obviously it needs some work. But I don't know, give it a try. Pablo.design. Maybe you got a portfolio or website, need to refresh, see what it does.